All right, good morning. So it's what time is it? Like 6:30 a.m. here, and I already had my fresh buko juice in the morning. But now I'm gonna go do some laundry because we're gonna spend the rest of the day at the beach. But I wanted to get this laundry done first, you know, because it's Monday. New start to the week. So I got this laundry basket, and we're gonna do it in the river today. Successfully made it down without falling. Here you go. 60 peso. Yeah, coffee time.
100.
Yeah. So until we get our coffee from Shopee, this is how we got to do it. We have our nice hot water here. Wow. From our former Starbucks barista. And then this
Former owner.
Cafe Puro, 100% pure instant coffee. Now I choose this one, but he drinks the 3-in-1. I'm not a fan of the 3-in-1.
Huh? No more coffee.
No, we have a whole nother one.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Goodness.
Yeah. That's enough.
Another one glass.
Yeah.
You all have to put this one.
Wow.
How about this?
We'll see. Could probably use the rest of that. This could be my cup, honestly. I'll just drink out of that thing.
Grabe naman kumabas ka.
I mean, this thing's nice. We might as well keep this and use it as another cup.
We can also,
Wow.
we can sell this.
Yeah, that's nice. I'll drink out of this.
Sugar.
And voila, we have the coffee. Yeah, I guess I'll add some sugar. My gosh, we need to go buy some more sugar too.
Maybe we have to buy one sack.
Hmm?
Sugar.
One what?
One sack of sugar.
One sack of sugar. Yeah, like this big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Salt, vinegar,
My
oil.
gosh. Yeah, I don't use a lot of sugar. Your dad puts two massive mountains of sugar in his coffee.
Yeah.
And voila, there we have it. Very fast coffee. Not my preferred method, but it's what we got for now until we upgrade. So I think I want to try. Oh, there, the chicken. It's raining. Wow. I want to try the coffee inside the coconut. We cut this one open this morning. Yeah, not too long ago. So it's still good. Because eventually what I'm going to do is make an iced coffee once I have all my fresh ingredients. And I'm going to put the iced coffee in here. And oh, it's going to be so good. With some fresh coconut milk. But until we can do that, maybe this will come out okay. I feel like I'm going to make a mess here. Right. Alright, now I'll let it soak up the coconut juices. And we'll see how it tastes in a bit. So I think it's okay to try right now. I hope it's not too hot still. Yeah, I mean, I see it a little bit, but... yeah. I mean, I can't say that the taste of coconut is really there like I wanted, but it tastes okay. I don't know. I'll figure out this coconut coffee method later on once I have all of the materials that I want. But for now, this will do. This is the laundry detergent here. Now, I have pretty sensitive skin, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep using this laundry detergent because I can't imagine that this stuff is the best for your skin. Although it does say best ever perfume. So even if it's not good for my skin, maybe I'll be smelling like a very pretty lady.
The first thing to do is to wash this first, like, you know.
So I'll just put this
Oh
here.
yeah, for the meantime. Yeah. So,
Get my nice seat going.
maybe you can put it there.
But after I'm done washing it, I need to put it in there with the soap. No?
Yeah. Then you have to put water here and then the soap. Then after you're done washing it, you're going to put it here. Right.
Well, I guess I'll put it right here. So.
Chicken. Oh. You might. Maybe you can use your teeth. Oh, just be careful. Oh. It tastes good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Wow. I
Yeah,
didn't do a very good job.
Oh.
Wait.
You have to
Stir it about, huh?
sige. And after that, what?
Now I wash the clothes and put it in there, huh?
Yeah. Ha? Para niya ibang akuan. Butangan.
I know there's some dirt on here. Now, I've never done this before, but this is how I imagine I'm supposed to do it.
Yeah. Oh. Then, yeah. Ah.
Do I do it one piece of clothes at a time?
No, like all of them.
All of them at once.
T-shirt first. Your shirt.
T-shirts first?
Your shirt. T-shirt, shirt.
I bet it looks really sexy with my abs being crunched. Why are you making that face?
Okay.
Yeah, so now we're done that. Now we're going to what? Scrub it? Now we're gonna scrub it with the brush.
Yeah, using also your hand.
Oy.
I mean, you can just sit there and then.
Then once I'm done scrubbing it, I rinse it off back in the river, huh?
Okay.
And then once I'm done rinsing it off in the river, I put it in there.
Yeah.
So I can sit on this little stool here. Like this. What, like this? You're making these hand motions, but I don't know what you mean. Like this?
No.
No? Oh. I'll learn from the best.
From an expert.
Yeah. Bring the expert in.
Look and learn.
Yeah.
Ah, now
Wow.
you see it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I could have guessed that.
You look at dirty, put your eat.
Just what?
Thankfully, it's nice and clean.
You learn?
Yeah.
You're not doing it yet.
Huh? What do you mean I'm not doing it yet?
Okay.
Maybe I don't do it as good, but...
What are you doing?
What?
Sige.
I feel like mine looks pretty good.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Naman ako.
Sige, marami na kuya.
Okay.
Let's say,
Wow.
500.
Send it all.
500.
And then I...
Ang mga busag. Okay.
Wait, it's not yet done.
Hmm?
Then, the first one.
What do you mean it's not yet done? It looks good.
Sige, sige ma.
Ano ko tumawag ko ito? Paat kan.
One.
Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
What?
that's the way you do it.
Oh, so we're done with this step. Now the last step, right? Your second to last
Second to the left.
second to last step is re-washing them in here, right? So we can dump this over there now?
Yeah. Yeah.
We could have used that water to make rice.
Gamiton daw ito nga para pag piniplan ko ng rice.
Yeah. Okay. So then I can put all my clothes in there.
Yeah. Once it's already clean, you know. So this is the second to the last step, right?
Yeah, because then the last step is just putting it on the hanger to dry.
No, no, no. You don't need this to put it. Just have to do that.
So I have to scrub it again?
Yeah. But not all. I mean,
How does it look?
it looks fine.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
That's it?
Ma. It's maaram. I don't know. I don't know that much.
It's like this.
Just that.
Yep.
Wow.
And put it on the plastic bag.
Wow. She makes it look so easy.
1,000. Ah, talaga? Ah, talaga? Yeah, you're doing it good.
That's the laughter of approval I hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Do the same thing what my mom did.
Look how clean this looks. Oh,
Wash it again.
let's see.
I bet it's good.
Yeah. Oh no. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not soapy. We have approval. That's good. So we just finished doing all the laundry. Maybe that took like 50 minutes, maybe close to an hour. How long does it take your mom to do it?
Depends on the,
Yeah, I guess.
yeah,
Maybe she can do all this in 10 minutes.
20. I bet.
Now I gotta go hang it up.
You're doing great.
Now watch me slip on the way up here and get all of them dirty again. So first I gotta take all these clothes down, finally, we're at the last step. Now just gotta hang the clothes up, inside out. Oh, I like this step. Very easy. Alright, we're done hanging up all the clothes. So that's it. That was the process. That was a lot of fun. Only took maybe an hour or so. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching, doing the laundry on the farm. Maybe you guys, I don't know if you knew. I don't know. I don't know if you ever saw something like that. I know I've never done that. I've never really seen it be done like that. But I think it's an interesting experience. Maybe you guys can give it a try. Go to your, yeah. Next time you got to do laundry, go to your closest river and go do laundry like that. I'm sure that would go real well. Maybe next time we do laundry, we'll go back to the barangay where everyone else does their laundry. So that way I can do it with some company. You know, it's not just us. It'll be the whole town doing our laundry together. That might be a lot more fun. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. And